Ebusia sene medi kan share mobo ewo ye previous video nim say ye meba na minimum mienu nyina ababe fill the Schengen Visa Application Form no emrene du say ye bedi sa nkuta hodie no nti no mesrel say o be subscribe na wa share video no na wa sanso like it. Without wasting too much time, let's jump straight into the video. Nti this is the Schengen Visa Application Form. See, and a Schengen Visa Application Form no, it's here. Now we here specifically for Switzerland. Until let's jump straight into filling the form. Maybe another video I explaining any of my back menu achiremo efa Schengen for who any member states, any other countries or more relationship. The contract and what it states in the contract and all that. I'll do a different video and share that information with you. So this one is specifically for filling the form. So let's jump straight into filling the form. The DK ewaha eye name and I say family name. Until let's assume say oba na fill the form no your friend no akusia ya menu. Nti menu no ye ne surname na ni first name Akusua ya. Can I say Akusua ya? Akusua ya yes. No. Yen sesane nchiro Akusua menu. Yeah, so the surname in this case no for demonstration purposes and I say for this tutorial purposes no ebeye menu. Surname at birth, former family name, and as I was saying, and I used it previously. Our friend maiden name, no, that is what is stating here. But in this case, I could say maiden warrior, and you know, you better say non-applicable to us. N-A. We jump on to the next one. Your first name, into Akosia. For the purposes of this video, we are using Akosia as the first name. We could have used Amagana, but let's proceed with this one. The date of birth. Akosia date of birth. You can say you will set match. And now, how much say date format no, a day, month, and year. Okay, so it's a set match 1957. Let's just say you bet 06 dash 03 dash 1957. For the purposes of this video, this is Akosia's birthday date. Sorry. Yewo Akosia ewo Accra. Akosia nationality number 7 no ebusa se oye ofihi oye himfani yeah pino. Pardon me, kakra. Kakra. But the nationality, Akosia for him for Akosia ye Ghana ni. And number 6, you come back to number 6. You Akosia ewo Krobemu. Now Akosia ye Ghana ni die. Let's just say you no Ghana. Bebe timi aba so say you no baby foforo. And so the current nationality Ghanaian. Inti no you bisa waha number 7 no Ghanaian as what state is we Ghanaian no. Number 7 no you cho say Ghanaian Akosia ye Ghanaian. Inti you bisa say you no baby foforo. And I say no your previous crow foforo ni na wabe naturalize ye Ghanaian and I say or ye Ghanaian at birth. In this case Akosia was born in Accra. And so, or a Ghanaian at birth. It's a better Ghanaian at birth. Okay, you're jumping on number 8. Sex. Sex in yet near wooding. Either oye Bema and I say oyo oba. And see, Akosia dear, oba. So you best select female. Number 9, no, you busa waware. And I say we are divorced, and I say nya warrior. so won twem na we are single eba no sa niema we are either waware we jaya ware ya separate mo ana say we are single relationship to say boyfriend girlfriend ni ho yeah nti ye be select sa Akosua ye single ye nim sa Akosua twempra but Akosua ye single on paper. Okay, number 10 Akosua since you fail in the form no say within we 1957 no nti no number 10 does not apply, but then Akosua ni akola bi tu kwan na akola ni D 18 years and as all your minor then you be fail parent no ni details number 10 I say, but Akosua ni nti no number 10 does not apply to Akosua. So we jump straight to number 11. So I have a national identification number and as a national identity number, which is your Ghana card number. Nti you have GHA dash 0000000-1 for the purposes of this video. But hano odo Ghana card number and ebeshe hasei. The number 12 Akosua ye ordinary Ghanaian onye diplomat onye assigning us onko ye any official duties for Switzerland. The Akosua kura ordinary passport ahano ye bisa the type of travel document which will be the ordinary passport in many cases. So we a diplomat so I know I should share where ebe fettle pepepe. So number 1 ordinary passport, you have service passport, you have special passport, and you have diplomatic passport. But in this, for the purposes of this tutorial, no, Akosua kra ordinary passport. It's a movie straight to number 13, which is the passport now you selected, passport not selected, you know, the passport number, which is number of travel document. Inti Baomis young. For the purposes of this meeting or not this tutorial, you use let me not mix up the numbers, never quite you will be the number. So I'll just use 000000 for the purposes of this this tutorial. Into date of issue. Issue data ye issue passport in the mao. Picture no down or kakra. Date of issue. There you the mouth, any die ever expired, say 5 years or 10 years. But nowadays, no, mostly no, it's about 10 years or something. Indeed, the bayano 1st March for the purposes of this tutorial. So 01, 03, and then fancy the man 2020. Indeed, since ever expired in 10 years, no, indeed, March. ABR 2030 ebe expire in 10 years time into 2030 no yempa say be do no na February 29 days or better still no let's keep it in mind say 28 for the purposes of this tutorial no into all their passport no will be unique, so you put those details in your passport in there. So 28 02 and then 2030 and a crocra issue passport no in this case Ghana. Okay, number 17 hanity ye nti me ka said number 17 there maybe be church in subsequent video. As a Ghanaian, me show how to fill this one quickly, and then in subsequent videos me explaining this 17 part no actually, so that the video will not be too long. So let me jump number 17. As it stands now, it might not apply to you, but then we'll share subsequent videos now. It may apply to you because maybe a baby maybe a papa a foreign I'll just get back to you in that next video, and then I will discuss 17 and 18. But in this case, no, Akosua any family member be our EU, and I say EU. So no, depending on how you want this to sound, but until Akosua any family member be. So we jump number 17, and we jump number 18, and then we go straight to number 19. This is where it applies to Akosua. nti aha apply to akosua. Applicant's home address and email address. So yɛmfa ne sɛ akosua te let's come up with an address. Let's say number 2 Akosua Street, so this is not a physical and I say address just for the purposes of this tutorial. You use number 2. Sorry, I missed the 2. Number 2 Akosua Street, Cantonment, Accra. Then Akosua the email ebeka ho enter until the bomodia enter 2 times. Then separate email no from house and as a home address. So in this case, Akosua menu at gmail.com. And yet specific purposes of this video. Instead of using Gmail, and yet main advert it could be Hotmail, it could be anything. But for the purposes of this video, let's use Gmail. And then Akosua the number besheha obedi kan aye +233. Na ya omiti 0 no. Nti 0 when ha say so mean yet advert mobia. Nti yamfa ne say 0244. So 244 1 2 3 4 5 6 for the purposes of this video. Yes, you may use this number. Akosua number 20 requested if Akosua resident of another country, but in this case only resident of another country, so select no. And then Akosua ni current occupation. Akosua ejuma oye tisia yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔyɛ beautician anaasɛ ɔyɛ fashion designer anaasɛ ɔyɛ whatever it is that Akosua is doing. ɛno na yɛde bɛhyɛ yɛmfa ne sɛ Akosua is secretary a particular company, so we can just put in secretary anaasɛ for the what do you think we should put here? Yɛm put it so a fashion designer or a beautician. Yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔyɛ beautician. Akosua for bebree beauticians. Well, just by the way, anyway. So, honey, Akosua baby oye ejuma no, omo address. Baby yemfa nsa Akosua eye nejuma or the nejuma address be sheha. So you be ejuma and I say obi na fan we ejuma baby ejuma no ewo no ni address no or the be sheha. Nti Akosua eye ejuma wo ni area nim. Ejuma no wo ni area nim. Ne address number 16 Akosua Street, Cantonment, and it's in Accra. Okay, indeed. And a telephone number of baby Akosua Ejuma. Until we will enter, we'll start with +233, and put similar number, and I say you did the same number because we can't use anybody's specific number, then create issues and found my end. So, but how was say ye Juma in the number, please. But if it's your own job, like one was setting up a business, or side hustle, or register, or business registration, the business address, and all the besha, yeah. So in this case 244 actually, and then but let's make him look unique. So it's 243 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then yeah. So a din maybe Akosua ye ejuma no definitely e wo din. There was say a din ejuma ni din so e ka ho. Nti Akosua ye ejuma wo give or take come up with the name, come up 2. Okay. Akosia Beauty. Akosia Beauty and Spa. Something. Yeah. Number 16 Akosia Street, Cantonment. Yes. And I say, Ushemu, the instruction there was say for students. Sure, the name and address of educational establishment. It is Oko school. Unsha say we juma obetro school kra oko. Yemfa say oko holiday, we student but still an oko holiday and all that. Yes, who the school oko ni din address, any school no number at the beshaho. Number 22 no. No. Near movie ako number 23.